Welcome to Open House. Your student is enrolled in English 3 or ERWC, which stands for Expository Reading and Writing. I am Mrs. Lamb, their primary teacher, and I also have a partner teacher, Miss Wyrick. For those students who are enrolled in English 3, who are the juniors, they receive the Springboard curriculum. Right now we are focusing on Unit 5, which is an American journey. Students will experience a cultural journey by exploring the voices of the Harlem Renaissance. Students will read Zora Neale Hurston's novel, Their Eyes Were Watching God. The novel and text in this unit have sensitive content and language with dialect consistent with the time period. For seniors who are enrolled in Expository Reading and Writing, or ERWC, if they are enrolled in Period 2, they are enrolled in the Health Pathway class, and they are currently reading The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks. Following that unit, we will be in the Narrative Medicine unit and end with the ERWC Final Portfolio. For students who are not in the Health Pathway, they are enrolled in Period 5 and 6, and the modules of study right now are 1984, which is the novel they are currently reading. Then we'll move into Ready to Launch and also end with the ERWC Final Portfolio. Some English policies to keep in mind: all grades are updated daily, and students are to attend RST or they can come in during lunch for extra support. A few important dates to remember. For juniors, the SBAC is going to be taking place on Tuesday, April 25th through Friday, April 28th. Quarter 4 late work will be accepted through May 26th, and the fourth quarter ends June 8th. For seniors, because their last day is May 26th, their late work deadline for quarter 4 work and for extra credit is May 12th. There are weekly agendas that are posted on Linktree. Agendas provide instructors contact information, the bell schedule, a link to schedule an appointment with a psychologist or a social worker. Always includes assignment descriptions, due dates, and point values. These are sent to parents every Monday through Parent Square. It says Atlas Connect, but now we use Parent Square. English 3, it has the Linktree code below if you'd like to scan it, and also ERWC, you can scan that code to access the Linktree. But once again, these are sent and posted on Parent Square. Please review the open house flyer with your student and scan any of the material that you would like to view. Before you leave today, please complete the family contact form. And this will provide attendance so I know that your student attended. If you need to contact me, please take a picture of this slide. Here's my email, brianna.beaumont-lamb@fresnounified.org. You can also use Atlas Connect or Parent Square to reach the instructor. And this is our open house information. Please take a moment to walk around the classroom and to view our materials. And you can also have your students sign into Google Classroom to show them the work that they have completed.